Dear students, this is the 12th problem in your question bank. Receipts and payments account of Shankar Sports Club is given below. Receipts and payments account, and prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet with the help of following information. See, read the instructions carefully. Subscription outstanding on March 31st, 2017 is rupees 1,200 and rupees 2,300 on March 31st, 2018. This is current year, that is the previous year. Closing stock of stamps 2,200. Rent related to 2016-17 and 16-17. Rent related to rent 1,500. 1,500 related to 16-17 and rupees 1,500 is still unpaid. This is the current year. This is the previous year. On April 1st, 2017, the club moved furniture 15,000. This is the previous year opening furniture value. Furniture value rate appreciated. Okay, on 31st March 2008, club took a loan of rupees 20,000 at 10% per annum for the year 2016. Previous year loan, that is the rate of interest is to be payable. So let us see balance sheet. You can say opening balance sheet as on 1/4/2017. Say here, this is the opening balance sheet. So, liabilities, rupees, assets, rupees. So, go see the all informations which are concerned to the previous year. See, first one, as you know, outstanding rent. Outstanding rent is that, see, it is rent rupees 1,500 related to 2016 and 17 previous year, that is considered as opening outstanding rent. Loan 20,000 is there. 20,000. The club took a loan 20,000 for 16 and 17, that is previous year last balance sheet, now current year opening balance sheet. So 20,000 will come to this one. Next, coming to the cash in hand. Cash in hand 2,600. Cash in hand 2,600. Cash in hand 2,600. Next, coming to the subscription outstanding on March 31st, 2017 previous year. So rupees 1,200 and 2,300 is the current year. So you should take this one, 1,200 outstanding subscription, 1,200 related to the 2016 and 17. And after that, closing stock of stamps. Okay. Say opening postage stamps 300 is there. Stamps 300 stamps and furniture. Opening value. See here two values are there. See on April 1st, 2017, the club sold furniture 15,000 is there. This 15,000 is the opening and furniture value 22,500. This is the current year. The closing balance is the final balance sheet. You have to record that amount. 15,000. 15,000 is there. And Which side is more? This problem, capital efficiency. Usually, capital efficiency won't come. Capital fund efficiency we can't say because it is not for profit organization. But in this problem, capital efficiency is there. See, 21,500. Debit side is liability side is 21,500. Asset side is 15, 16, 17, 18,100. 18,100. 18 or 19? 4, 3, 6. 19,100. 400. 2. This is the capital fund deficiency. So, capital fund deficiency 2,400. So 21,500. 21,500. Only opening balances. After that, we have to consider like this. Next, coming to the income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. This is go to the opening balance sheet, that is expenditures. So here first one is to rent. Rent is there 18,000. Rent 18,000 is there. So add current year outstanding 1,500. So 19,500. So rent related to current year. You have paid. You have to add this and less outstanding in previous year. Net is 18,000. Net is 18,000 only. Next, coming to the wages, not adjustments. To wages, wages 7,000. Wages 7,000 is there. Next, to below level, to interest. Interest 2,000 is there. Next, to postage. Postage 1,000. Postage 1,000. outstanding current year 300, 1300 less outstanding less closing stamps 200, totally 1100. Next is the salary, no adjustments in this, directly write 24,000 is the this one. So coming to the furniture 10,000. So here opening is, say, working notes, opening furniture is 15,000, purchases is 10,000, totally 25,000 is there, less closing 22,500, 2,500 is the depreciation. See how? See, on April 1st, from old furniture 15,000, that is the opening 15,000. Purchases, add purchases 10,000. After that, we have to add this to 25,000 minus furniture value at rupees 22,000 on March 31st, 2018. So 22,500. So available amount is to depreciation on furniture 2,500. So next is coming to the entrance fees. But cash and hand over entrance fees. Entrance fees 3,200. No information regards to the entrance fees. So if any adjustments are there, capitalization are there, they have to add. Okay. After that, second one, locker rent. By locker rent 1,200. This donations for building. This is a specific donation. We have to record on the liability side of the balance sheet. Life membership we have to add profit from entertainment by profit from entertainment. Profit from entertainment, that is 3,000. Next by subscriptions. 40,000 is there. Subscriptions 40,000 is there. In that 40,000 current year is there. Subscription outstanding on March 31st, 2017, previous year, less previous year outstanding. How much? 1,200. So 38,800. Add current year outstanding 2,300. Where it is? Here I have rupees 2,300 on March 31st, 2018. This is the current year outstanding. So 41,100. 41,100. No advance, nothing else, no need. 41,100. Okay. So now say which side is more, which side is less. Let us see. 56,600 on the debit side. Say 24, 25, 27, 27, 29, 36, 54,600. Here 2, 2, 1. 500. Here 3 plus 1, 4, 4, 7, 7, 1, 8. And okay. 48,000. One more zero there. This is credit side. So 100, 600. This is the deficit. Deficit by excess of expenditure over incomes, that is deficit 6,100 overall, 54,600, 54,600, 54,600, 54,600. See, the deficit is there. So, outstanding rate first. Outstanding rate for the current year. Outstanding rate how much is there? That is 1,500. 1,500. Next. So, low rate 10%. 20,000. This is current year. Unpaid rent and 20,000 loan. 20,000 loan was there. And next is the donations for buildings. This is specific donation. 23,000. 23,000 is there. Next, let us see. Donation deficiency is 2,400 plus add. Sorry, this is capital fund. Deficiency 2,400 add deficit 6,100. So totally 8,500. 8,500. So in this 8,500, less life membership fees, life membership fees 7,000. So 1,500 is the still deficit. Then we have to deduct from the overall amount. See, let us see 450, 4,500, 44,500 is there. 44,500. So this amount we have to show on the either side as capital deficiency. So now outstanding subscription stamps, stock of postage stamps 200. Next, bill table. $14,000. Next, furniture 22,500. Furniture, cash in hand, cash in hand 4,000. So capital fund deficit 1,500, totaling 44,500. So capital deficiency would be deducted anyway. We have to show separately as capital deficiency. So here capital deficit opening fund is 2,400. Once again the deficit faced by the firm, that is totally 8,500 minus life membership fees. Once again 1,500 we are not ready to show or deduct from anywhere. So building fund, it is a specific fund, it won't be deducted from that. So directly we have to show on the asset side as capital fund. Okay. So working notes if you want. Capital fund deficiency, that is 2,400 in the opening capital fund. 2,400 deficiency was there. So add deficit 6,100. So for this purpose 8,500 total deficit. So less life membership fees 7,000. So here 1,500 capital deficit